how to fix Instagram linking not working with profile on Bumble. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can fix if we're not being able to link Instagram to Bumble. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If Instagram isn't linking or working on your Bumble profile, and not just not working, from now onwards, it is never going to work and no longer you can connect your Instagram account to Bumble. And this is said by Bumble themselves. So previously we used to be able to come to the profile page and we used to be able to link our Instagram profile, which would automatically add the photos to our Bumble profile. But recently, Meta, which means the owner of the Instagram company or the app, announced that they are deprecating Instagram's basic display API. This change affects how third-party platforms like Bumble can connect with Instagram, and unfortunately, as a result, Bumble or any other app can no longer support linking Instagram photos to your account. The only thing you can do is you can add your best Instagram photos directly by tapping in complete profile and just tapping the plus icon and adding your best Instagram photo directly from your Instagram account or from your gallery. So I hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.